Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to 7 Gym channel. My name is Fazil Sabir. Today we are studying the lecture of AutoCAD Save 3D. So in this lecture we will create complete band style of profile. So the band that will be created today is NGL, then PGL, then station, and after that cut and fill bands, then vertical curves, horizontal curve, and super elevation. So in this lecture we will create all these bands in one lecture. So I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you, especially for those persons who are working in the field. So you can also see the preview of our drawings. Here we can see all bands in one profile, because without band you cannot say your profile is complete. So first of all, when you start any project, you must need to make this type of band in one time. After that, Save3D give you facility that you just save this band one time, and after that you can import a new profile. So in this lecture I try to teach you how can we make complete band of profile in one video. So if you are new, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more latest update. So let's start. So you can see one profile and it's some specific bands. This actually existing band. So first of all, I want to delete this one and make new one. Okay. So first of all, I click here and right click profile view property. Then first of all, I delete this one. Okay. Apply there. Okay. So you can see our band is deleted. Now we create new one. So we just click here and right click profile view property. Okay. So we select here new band, like create new and information. After that I make here ngl cancel. Okay, it's only name of our bands. Okay, copy and compose this one, and here paste this one ngl. After that middle right you need to do middle center. Okay, after content must be ngl. After that we also need to give its color, like red color is suitable for ngl. After that okay, you can see here I also want to give some height of this bands in center, middle center. Okay, you can see here also need to red one. Okay, see this one, apply. After that okay, and you can go display side. Okay, so first we here must need some specific bands. After that some may need to close here extra data. Okay, so this one no need, this one no need, this one we need, this one. Okay, label at major station. After top station band border. Okay, band title text major tick. Okay, this one no need, and no need. Okay, label at major station only you need. Apply, and you can see here we just change the color of this one in red because this is our ngl. Okay, so ngl color is red. So for that all bands and all labels, all data that be related to ngl must be in one color. Okay, after the band you can see here tick size must be 2.5 is enough. 2.5. okay, or 3 you can see here, 3 and 3. After that use label, and you also need to paste here ngl. After that band middle. Okay, content must be here ngl mean first. Okay, this one, and 3 precision must be here, 3 1, add this one. Okay, after that you can also select here red and okay, center. Okay, apply. This one must be 3.5. okay, height of the text, and here also need red. Okay, and apply, then okay, apply, then okay, add this one here ngl. Okay, okay, and gap must be 2 is enough. You also need to select here ngl, apply, then okay. See this one here is some extra, we just need to delete this one. Just click here and go in inner setting and compose label. So you can see here NGL with this one, this profile number 1. We need to delete this one. Okay, after apply, okay, apply, okay, okay, apply, then you can see here our NGL is correct. Okay, so now I also want to take copy of this one NGL facet like this one, and I just want to copy this one and make its other data like PGL, PGL, copy this one only, copy here and delete this one, copy. After that same compose label and click here, paste this one PGL. Okay, now copy this one and middle center. Okay, must save here PGL, but change color of this PGL like blue. Okay, after that this height is okay, we just need to change color in PGL, apply, then okay. After display, okay, must change its color from here blue one, and after here blue. Also change the color from here blue, so blue, okay, apply. After that bands detail. Okay, so you can also select here again NGL in PGL. After that select here content and write this one, click here profile 2 and text here precision 3, add this one and change the color from here blue. Okay, okay, after that you can also check okay here, add this one, this must be blue, apply, then okay, apply, then okay, add this one on PGL and change the gap from here to, also change from here PGL. Second profile must be PGL and this one must be NGL. Okay, so in some rare situation we select here PGL, otherwise normal profile 1 NGL, profile 2 PGL. You can see here this our 2 band is ready. So select here again, if any band miss here, so don't worry, inshallah we adjust during last session. So here select here 10, apply this one, okay, and okay, you can see here. So here that's why scrub start from 0. Okay, I think first and last will be close from here. So you can see here next will be about copy this one and station. Okay, so this one and copy this one, copy. Here must be station, STATION station vessel. Copy on this station from here and just paste everywhere where the NGL PGL written. So here PGL, just save this one here. And content must be now station and copy. Select here white color in bold. Okay, okay. So here also need to select white color. After that, okay, apply, then okay. The display color must be white, same like station. This one here, okay. This one also here. Band border, band top, okay. Major, minor. Double increment station, okay, vertical, horizontal, okay, apply this one. After I need to go this side and this one is station. So for that you select here station. After that from here you must be select here station value. Okay, and station value must be 1. No need after point. For that write this one. Okay. Here we also need to select white color. Apply this one. Okay, apply this one. Okay, add from here ngl. Okay, and 2 here, and ngl you select here pgl. Apply, then okay. So third band is also ready. So if you want to hide this one, so you can select here bands. First band no need, label at start, label at end. Okay, so this one you can see here. This label station 307, that's why you cannot write here. Okay, same here. Station must be 0. Okay, so next our band is cut and fill. Okay, we also need to show cut and fill here. So I also just want to select here cut and fill hatch this one, cut fill, apply, then okay. So you can see here this portion is called filling, and this portion is called cutting. Okay, so for that we also need to create one bands for cutting and filling. So need to go on band, select here ngl or station, no problem, station, copy of this one and select here cutting and filling. Okay, cut cut fill. Okay, cut fill, copy this one. After that select compose label and select here. Okay, paste. After that content must be same like cut and fill. This must be shown in our label. Okay, for that you must give some unique color like yellow color is not here, so yellow select. Okay, fill, I think fill. Okay, one fill, select again here and fill, apply double L. Okay, see this one. You can also select here fill color, apply, then okay. After that display color must be yellow, same like text. So select here yellow. Okay. After that apply, then paint style you need to go here. So here you can need to concentrate this portion. Content you can see here, select here profile 1 minus profile 2. Here profile 2 elevation minus profile 1, we select this one. After that add this one. Okay, and also give yellow color. This is very important when we make its bands, you can easily understand what we are doing here. Apply, then okay. Add this one here. Okay, ngl, no problem, pgl. Okay, from here you can see. So this must be ngl, pgl, this must be ngl, because I want to minus pgl from ngl. Apply, then okay. You can see here this portion is filling, so there must be fill. Okay, plus. So this portion is cutting, so there must be minus. So see this one. If you want to add another label like another digit, so you can also write here and add from here. Go in inner setting, here, and you just select one other digit like here, and 3 digit. Okay, add this one. Okay, apply. Okay, apply, then okay. Okay, apply, then okay. So our fourth band is ready. You can see here, 4 band is ready. So 3 bands remaining, like vertical curve, horizontal curve, and super elevation. Okay, so first of all save this one. So select here again in the profile view property. Okay, so you can also see this side, vertical geometry, horizontal geometry, and super elevation. So first of all I select here vertical geometry. Here two type geometry. Okay, add this one from here. Okay, and to select here. After that, vertical geometry must be this side PGL. Okay, apply this one, then okay. So you can see here this new geometry style is mentioned here. So you also need to adjust its bands. You need to give some specific color, like here green color is not available here, so we select this one, green color. Okay, so select here, right click, edit, profile view property, select here, and you can select here. First we need to give this 5. After that, this must be text width 50, same like other. After that, select here in band title box. Okay, select here. This must be green because we want to make this one all green. This one green. This also must be green. Tick also green. Okay. So tangent label, curve label, and geometry diagram tangent, they also must be green. You can also give some this one color, and curve diagram also must be this one color. Okay, after that, vertical geometry, right here, vertical geometry, copy from here and paste in the side of this one. See, this take a little bit time because file is heavy. So vertical geometry, this okay, but value must be downside. Okay, select this one. After that, go in format and select here center. Okay, and give bold and write green. Okay, okay, see here, so this must be in center and 5. Okay, this also must be here in center, middle, center. See this one here, and here you also need to give this color. Apply, then okay. After that, you must go this side, uphill tangent. You can see here, select here tangent horizontal length. Okay, select this one and give here white color, bold. Okay, 2.5, and here also white color. Okay, okay, downhill color, same. You can see computer is hang, so content must be same. Length, tangent length. Okay, and just give it bold in white color. Okay, after that you can also select here white color. Okay, middle, center. Okay, next will be crust curve. Crust curve need 2 digit, like select here. First of all, curve length and curve radius. Okay, first of all select here curve length. After that curve radius. Okay, add this one. You can also select here curve length L equal in meter m. After that write here R radius and here meter. Okay, so you can also give some different colors to them, like green color. Okay, this one. After that you can also select here green color. Apply, then okay. Next seg must be also same data. Select here, first of all read this one. First of all write this one L equal. After that R equal and M also, small m and M, and just select here in center. After that you can add this one profile curve radius length, add this one here. After that click here and profile radius. Okay, so they also need to give some different color, like cyan color. Okay, bold this one. Okay, apply, then okay, apply, then okay. Okay, after that and label, first label, no problem here. Apply, then okay. So you can see here our curve data is also looking better. Length, see this one here. You can also see here length in equal m. Okay, basically this is tangent. Okay, so click here, right click and add this one. This is uphill tangent, so select here again uphill tangent. So select here the length of this one, so that profile looking better in detail. And equal and select here M. Okay, okay, downhill same method. This is the small setting which make our profile with full detail and a little bit better in looking. L equal and here M. Okay, apply, then okay, apply, then okay, okay, apply, then okay. You can see here same like that. We also need to adjust horizontal curve, so select here, right click, profile view property and horizontal geometry. Okay, see this one curvatures and geometry. We also select geometry and add this one here, and you can also select here too and same here. Okay, apply here. So you can also see a little bit changes need here. This must be length will be after M. This must be here radius. Okay, and radius, and this must be down adjust. Okay, so we just here click and go in setting, right here 5. After that this must be in 50. After that information, this is horizontal geometry. Horizontal geometry. Okay, copy this value from here in bend detail and open this one and paste here. After that write this one. This must be in center and horizontal must be like that. After that select all this one from here center. Okay, and this must be I think here all colors use green color, cyan, and there is no use of cyan color. Okay, so we selected cyan. Okay, see this one, middle right, middle center, and this must be in cyan. Okay, okay, apply, then okay. Next will be display must be in cyan. Here also need cyan color. Here also tick, we need here tick. Okay, tangent, curve label must be in white color. Spiral label, after that diagram. Okay, apply the band style. Tangent, see, tangent must be length. See here, tangent must be here M. After that give it a white color. Okay, bold. Okay, here also you need to give it white color. You can see here this is on the center of line. Okay, so we must give a little bit height, 3:1. See, this one is a little bit upper side, so it's looking better. So apply. Okay, and so next curve must be length plus radius. So for that, see here, length plus radius, just write here M and M. Okay, it must be give color of yellow. Okay, different color. See this one here, you can also select here yellow color, apply, then okay. After spiral, length of spiral, you can see here spiral data, length of spiral, small s, it must be M. Also need to give some different color like blue. Okay, okay, see this one, it also must be in blue color. See this one. So all basic data is ready, so apply, then okay. Point of intersection, we select here first of all alignment PI index, easting northing, point of delta angle, alignment description, length. I think this is no need. Okay, we don't need this one, so we'll read from here. This one. Okay, apply, then okay, apply, then okay, okay. After that apply, then okay. You can see our 6 band is ready. Now we will start super elevation. So first of all, I want to calculate super elevation on alignment. So first of all, I click here and you can see here super elevation. I click here. Detail of super elevation will be discussed in a super elevation lecture that will be coming next. Okay, so here I just calculate this one and a little bit tell you about super elevation. Okay, so calculate super elevation now. Okay, click here and you can see here undivided crown, undivided planar, divided crown with median, divided crown with planar. Basically this is normal road. Okay, have two side slopes. Okay, same like that. Undivided crown. Okay, this is have crown but undivided. If we have median, then median will be divided this road in two section. Okay, so this is undivided, this is unplanar. Okay, see this one, this is planar with divided with planar with median. Okay, there is no any type of median, so we use this method because our road same like that. So center basement we select here outside of curve. I want to apply a super elevation on the outside. Okay, so click here. After that, next, see the width of our roads. Our road width here normal 10 meter. Okay, after the next we calculate normal shoulder with width. Okay, we don't need this one. Next, see this one Ashto. Here Ashto standard like 2011. Okay, select this one. Okay, so you can see here super elevation rate table. Basically super elevation depend on the speeds of any car. Okay, if our speeds of car will be increased, then super elevation also will be increased. So normal 4 is enough. This is normal is okay. So Ashto crown okay, 2 lane okay. After that finish. Apply curve smoothing and automatic resolve overlap. No need here. Finish this one. And you can see here total table of super elevation with detail of different parts like run out, end normal, level, crown, run up. All these things we will discuss in our super elevation lecture. Okay. So we just select here. So you can see here no any changing. So we add here super elevation data like super elevation critical points. Add this one here. Okay. After that basic, from here you can also select critical point. So these points also help you to understand the super elevation method. So I just here calculate 750. Okay. So you can see here this is our normal portion. Okay, 2% slope. When this car came here, same like that normal. But when this turn came here, so first of all this side normal, this side will be increase from minus to 0%. Okay, this is called level crown. Okay, so this portion next is this is 2%, this is minus 2%, this minus 2, this plus 2. It means this is reverse. After this is full super elevation from here to here. So it means this is normal crown, this is level crown. You can see here level. This is level crown, this is reverse crown, and this is full super elevation from here to here. Same method. After that, this full super elevation goes to the reverse crown. See this one reverse minus 2 plus 2. After the reverse go to the level crown and level crown to the normal crown. Same method will apply here. Normal to level, level to reverse, reverse to full super elevation hit this side. After that see here full super elevation. Now going to the reverse crown, then normal crown, then level crown, then normal crown. Okay, so there is normal. Okay, so this is the basic definition a little bit about super elevation, the method of its calculation. So we also need to draw here super elevation band. So click here, right click, profile view property. Okay, so you can see here one band for super elevation. Here we select undivided no shoulder. Okay, add this one here, and here you just need 2. After that apply this one, and okay. So you can here see here, this is normal to level crown. So this portion is called level to reverse crown, reverse to full super elevation, and same other side full to normal to full to reverse to normal, level to normal. This one. Okay, see same this method. We also need to adjust for super elevation. So click here and profile view property. After that click here again, click here. After that here we need to write here super elevation, super elevation. Okay, so copy from here and band detail. So click here, test click here super elevation. After that median must be here, middle super elevation, super. After down this one and D like that. Okay, and select this one and make it a center, and this color must be 48 color number. Okay, go again here and select also bold this one 48. Keep in mind 48. After select here and give here 48. You automatically pick the color. After that apply, then okay, this one center, see here. Okay, display this one from here. This must be 48. Okay, this must be also 48. Band title box, you see here, this must be 48. And tick at shoulder critical point, no need. Tick at label crown, yes, white color, okay. Tick at reverse crown, tick at full super elevation, label at normal, label at shoulder critical point, no. Okay, curve smoothing, okay, apply this one. And here bands detail, okay, you can see here normal crown, check here from normal crown. Normal crown color must be, see here, station value, okay, its color must be white, okay, bold, okay. See this one. After that, next will be label crown. Label crown, see here, label crown also, select this one and value, okay. You also need to select here yellow color, okay. See this one here, different color with different transition of road, okay. So apply this one, okay. Next will be reverse crown. Reverse crown must be different from normal. So click here and select different color like red, okay. And you can also see here different color from red, okay. See this one, this is red, apply then, okay. Last will be full super elevation, color must be different. This one, click here and okay, this one, this must be green, okay. See this one here also, you can apply green, okay. Apply this one, okay. So now shoulder revolver, okay. Check this one from here, shoulder revolver. Click here, station value, okay. Select here and select white color here and bold this one, okay. Apply then, okay. And shoulder critical point, here, see this one, click here and station value meter will also must be in white color, okay. Apply then, okay. And last will be slope transition, this one here, click here and also need to select first one only. Select this one, first point, okay. Apply then, okay. Apply, okay. Apply then, okay. 2%, 4%, okay. So this is the basic a little bit definition of super elevation. So you can see our same band, NGL, PGL, station, cut fill, vertical, horizontal and super elevation is ready, okay. So you can see the final view of our profile with band, okay. I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. If you have any question related to this topic, so please comment me in comments box and shall try my best to give you some suitable answer. If you are new, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.